Oh, you glowing.
Low key, just a little bit, little some, you know what I'm saying? What was good, y'all? This your boy. Whoa, big burger and bigger. Oh, it tastes something funky.
Let's check.
Where's your boy Bargress making burgers?
This is chicken. Wait.
What?
Wait.
Yo, what you eating?
This is chicken.
Give me this then. I'm about to eat this.
This is mine. This is mine.
Yeah, man. It's Bargress making progress.
Look at it.
Trying to make this shit dying. But this is Bargress making progress. Trying to make a mukbang. I'm gonna eat a little bit because we gotta get going. You feel me? We gotta get going. We got some shit to get to.
You're leaving me. Kind of hurting me though. If you like that. You're like leaving me.
God damn. Yeah, we gotta go. But basically, I want to talk about my Florida experience so far. Like, Orlando been good. This is like the second half to my whole, technically the third piece to this whole vacation. So
I don't want you to talk about it.
as soon as I was about to talk to you, okay. Damn, I can't even see you now. I don't like that. They see you better, but I don't know.
It was lit.
But first part was ass. I ain't gonna lie. First part sucked. But like, I enjoy driving a car like that nice Mustang. You're not gonna see the pictures and everything. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but this still Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know when I'm gonna post this. But driving that Mustang was the funniest thing ever. Dropping the top, hitting like 120.
You was screaming and
flexing on everybody. It was crazy. I'm like, whoa, this is the life. Now, Miami experience, ass. Now, I think I explained this in one of my videos already. I don't want to talk about that. We're going to talk about the Orlando part. I know for a fact I ain't talk about the Orlando part. So, this burger clap. So this fine, sexy ass female came and got me, right? And then we came out here, we kicked it for a minute. She brought me to the hotel and everything, you know. We kicked it for a minute. What we do the first night?
Yeah.
So first night we kicked it for a minute. Bruh, look, listen. We ain't do nothing crazy. No, we didn't.
We're just chilling, you know, watching TV.
You know, cute stuff. You know what I'm saying? Coloring cute stuff.
Colored.
The second day was lit as fuck, which was yesterday. The second day was lit. Like, you turned that day into something crazy. First, she took me to Walmart.
I had to do something.
No. Well, yeah. First, we was chilling for a minute. Then, we was watching TV and stuff. You know, kicking it. Cooling. You know what I'm saying? Eating some snacks. She ain't eat no snacks. I was eating snacks.
Oh, you went to my mom.
And then,
Let's go to my mom.
Into that part. I gotta go through the order.
Okay, go.
I remember that order. So then, stopped at the store real quick. And, oh yeah, I did meet your mom after fucking in the hotel. Okay, so her mom called, thinking we was. Damn. Damn. I'll take this out of here. Put that in here. I got like 3 burgers, bro. I ain't even gonna hold y'all niggas, bro. I ordered 3 burgers on accident. I just wanted some nuggets and 2 burgers.
Not an accident.
And some fries, but we only had 2 orders of fries. You know, it's another one, right? Okay. Woo! This for the Wendy's smack. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. They good. Shout out Wendy's. You know what I'm saying? Sponsor me. But then her mom called. I think we was on some suspect stuff. She like some, is y'all, doing something y'all not supposed to be doing, blah blah blah. I'm like, no ma'am, no we not.
No, ma'am.
Not at all.
No.
Not at all. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know what you're saying.
What drink did you get? A Coke?
Dr. Pepper. I don't know which one's on that one. That one.
How you know? What if it's Pepsi?
Yeah, she was just, yeah.
But yeah, she called thinking we was on some like suspect stuff. And I'm like, nah, oh, it is really a regular chicken. I'm gonna eat this first. That burger about that. This is cold already though.
Yeah, she thought we were.
My bad, y'all. I'm a little fat. I'm trying to get fat, y'all. I'm trying to get big. You know why?
We're a child of God.
I'm trying to get big out here. Now, I told her no. You know what I'm saying? And then after that little situation, I was like, it'd be raw if I just went and met your mom. And then her mom was like, okay, come link, come swoop, blah blah blah. I'm like, all right, bet it up. So I pulled up. I dapped her up, bro. Now she had her hat backwards, so I thought that the squirrel in the tree was hitting backflips and shit because the way that they had to pull, it was no lemonade to even give out. So I'm like, this shit not making sense. You know what I'm saying? But no, real shit. We put up to the house. I met her little brothers. No, they are hilarious. The funniest kids I've ever met. Oh my god. He's so fine though, bro. What's wrong with him, man? Then I played them in some Fortnite. Got smacked up a little bit because I was lagging.
He was ass.
I was lagging. Just keep it a buck. Keep it a buck 50.
Yeah,
I'm gonna tell you what. It looked like my nigga was teleporting, bro. He was like, that's lagging.
What was it?
She don't know what game it. She don't know how serious this game is. Shit yet. No disrespect.
Okay.
No disrespect.
Disrespect.
But you really. Oh, I lost. Whatever. Then, I met her mom's. Her mom asked a lot of questions. I answered all the questions.
Too many questions. I don't like questions.
Then I met her mom. I met her mom, boyfriend or whatever, whoever he is. You know, everything was cool. It was all funny. It was fun. You know what I'm saying? It was funny. It wasn't awkward. I was the one making it awkward, but I was doing it on purpose. And then we ended up going on a little date. You know, this date was the cutest date I've ever been on in my life, bro. Can't nobody compete with this date, bro. It's one of them. We should have went on a Ferris wheel this night, but it wasn't no Ferris wheel type. You know what I'm saying? It was a swing. Not no swing, you know? So basically, it's a tower. You sit in the seats and then start going around, right? And take you all the way up to the top, and then start spinning you faster. Man, it's crazy. You see the whole city and everything. It's so crazy, bro. Y'all gotta do that when y'all come down here, man. I still got the wristband from that shit. Now,
should I start driving while you're talking?
I'm ready to end it. Now, I'm gonna act like that's all I got. This burger busting. Hey. Hey, you know what I'm saying? But that's basically the end. That's basically all that we did. You know what I'm saying? All that, we had got some food earlier that day too. We ate up. Ate some real good food, man. Them pancakes.
Wait, where you get the straw?
She talking about she don't eat Denny's. Yeah, the straws is
I don't
down
eat
there.
Denny's. Denny's nasty.
Denny's was smacking, bro. They put strawberries and bananas on my blueberry pancakes. Like, come on now. I had eggs and bacon. Shit was busting.
I'm dropping everything.
I ate the burger yesterday too. The burger wasn't bad. Yeah, the burger wasn't that bad. It wasn't. Why your fries look like that?
They're hard.
Yeah, I'm about to finish these fries next. But that's basically all that happened. It's basically all that happened, you know?
The lamp.
And now I'm gonna go back to
No, he's not.
my sister's house.
No. No, he's not.
And
He was lying too. He's coming to my house. I thought he was pregnant for a second.
chill over there
But
for a little
he's
bit.
not. Wait for me.
And then
No. Go ahead.
my flight is in the morning. I don't want to go either. Honestly, I don't. But gotta do what I gotta do.
No.
I'm gonna be back. For sure, I'm gonna be back. For sure, I'm gonna be back. You got anything to say?
He's not leaving.
In the rain, trying to pick up. We got 3.
My throat's ticklish.
Listen.
I felt that.
Alright. That being said, be your boy.
It's your go-to for hearing on the vibes.
Bargress making progress. I'm back with another video. And with that being said, and with that being said, this the end of the vid. Juliana ain't gonna miss me. I know she is. I'm gonna miss it out here too. I miss you.
I miss you too.
This shit crazy. This cold air blowing in my eyes got me tearing up, bro. What? What? Yeah, man. This is the end of the vid. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned. More music coming soon. I'm about to show her a new a track that I just made today in my hotel room. So I might call it Hotel Flow. You know what I'm saying? Because I got a song called Viral Flow coming out that people don't know about. I might just call this one Hotel Flow because this is the first song that I made in the hotel.
We match.
God damn. God damn. Hold up. But yeah, though, man, it's been Bargress, and we out. Shut your mouth.
We blinging.
The monkey bang. Oh yeah. I had to give her the little VVS diamonds. You know what I'm saying? I had to bless her one time for the one time. I mean, why wouldn't I? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? But yeah, bro, that's it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Catch y'all in the next video. Y'all see me looking big as hell, swole as hell. So I'm gonna end the video like this.
Ew.